In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started creating a presentation in Canva. First, head over to Canva and open the platform. Once you're on the home page, you'll immediately notice that there are many templates available. Canva is designed to make creating visual content easier, so instead of starting from a completely blank page, you can browse through ready-made layouts for different kinds of projects. Take a moment to look around the home screen. You'll see a wide variety of template categories, and this can be really helpful if you already have a specific type of design in mind. If you know exactly what you want to create, you can simply use the search bar to look for a template that matches your project. This is one of the fastest ways to find something suitable, especially if you're working on a presentation, social media post, flyer, or another design format. Another option is to click the Create button, located in the upper left corner. This gives you access to different design types you can start with. Canva offers lots of design formats, so this is a useful route if you want to explore your options before choosing one. You don't need to feel overwhelmed here. Just focus on the design type that matches what you need for your project. For this example, we're going to use presentation. Once you select presentation, Canva will show you even more choices, including a large library of presentation styles and layouts. This is where Canva becomes especially useful because you can choose a design that already has a polished structure and then customize it instead of building everything from scratch. You'll also notice that there are thousands of templates available. That means you can pick a style that fits the tone of your project, whether you want something professional, simple, modern, colorful, or creative. If you're not sure which one to choose, start with a clean layout that feels easy to edit. That usually makes the design process smoother, especially if you're new to Canva. Once you've picked your presentation format or selected a template you like, you're ready to begin designing. At this point, your workspace opens and you can start creating your own presentation. From here, you can personalize the content, adjust the layout, and make the design match your goals. And that's it. You're now inside Canva and ready to start your own design with a presentation template as your starting point.